Really happy with his work. He was prompt, he was on time, and he gave us a fair price. I recommend him very highly.
It's a pleasure to deal with people that really know their job.
Back, you fixed the water heater in no time, and that was greatly appreciated. It was truly professionalism.
Very much for doing a terrific job and getting here at noon the night after I lost my water heater.
For his great service, he did an excellent job in excellent time.
Been very quick to respond, and I've really appreciated their service over the years.
We're putting it back, and here's the husband coming right back here, and I believe he's happy too.
Yes.
Thanks.
we have full faith in Granger.
Thank you very much.
Roots in that. It actually pushed up that old bit of pipe that we have there and broke that. What happens with these water heaters, if this T&P, this emergency valve activates due to high pressure or high temperature, this water's got it overflows and there's no drip pan. You have water damage, right? Didn't hold. So what we're doing is we're going to reroute, throw a new line here, copper line, and reroute a copper line into the side of the house. Get away from this old PVC stuff. It's just even if you make a repair here, a successful repair, you can have another break there. Give us a call.
I just had Champion Plumbing do work for me, and the service and the quality was outstanding.
I appreciate it, Pete. Thanks.
They did an excellent job from the beginning to the end. Installation was quick, and the guys are amazing. You gotta use them. Listen to me.
Gracias, señor.
You're welcome.